Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to this wonderful tutorial. This is So with Chioma. If you're joining me for the first time, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. On this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this standing structured sleeve with the Ankara patches, with the lace patches, how to cut out the patches and use it to form a structure. As you can see in this video, this is what we'll be doing. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Please like the video so that many people can get to watch the video, and subscribe. Let's get straight to the tutorial. On this tutorial, I'll be using this Ankara lace fabric. I'll be using this lace fabric. I've gone ahead to infuse it with a doll face because it's transparent, and I wouldn't want to use to do it and the white hairstyle will be showing. That's why I had to infuse the lace with the doll face. And now you are going to put your, because you want to cut out the patches, you are going to put your hemming gum on top of the material you're going to use, be it Ankara or lace. You go ahead and put your doll face so that you can be able to infuse it very well, so that when you cut it, it will have weight. And now I'm placing, because this is the softest pepper stay, I'm doubling it. I doubled it, and make sure that the one that is facing down is the gummy part. And the reason for putting the hemming gum is to hem, to be able to hold it down, because sometimes when you gum it, it won't gum. So you have to put the hemming gum to be able to hold it down. And I doubled it so that the patches will come out very thick. And now we are going to still put the hemming gum on top, because you are going to cover it with the lining. If you like, you can still use the same fabric as the lining, but here I'm using the doll face as the lining to cover it up. So you go ahead and place it. Go ahead and place it, and you're going to iron it. Take your iron and press it down using your steam iron. Go ahead and press it down. Infuse everything together. So for this, you don't need to sew anything. You go ahead and infuse it very well. And after gumming it, you go ahead and take your, if you have your soldering iron, you can use it to trace out the structure that you want. But if you don't have your soldering iron like me, I used my scissors. I'm using my scissors, but not the ordinary scissors. Not, this is my zigzag scissors, the one with that has zigzag at the mouth. It's not the normal scissors. You just go ahead and trace out the structure you want. Go ahead and trace out. But if you have your soldering iron, you go ahead and use your soldering iron. Go ahead and cut out the structure that you want. and this is what you have. I follow the structure of the lace, and this is what I have. Go ahead and trace it out carefully. And after tracing, this is what I have. This is what I have. And now you're going to prepare the structure where you're going to place it. You're going to prepare the structure. Now you're going to get the length of the structure you want, of the sleeve you want, from where you want it to start and where you want it to stop. And this is my doll face. This is the length I have is length 28 because it's going to start from the front to the back. And the width I have is 10 inches. When I fold it, I will have 5 inches. 5 inches, and I'll use half inch to sew it down. And the same thing I have on the collar stay. And on the collar stay, I sewed my boning on the collar stay. You go ahead and sew your boning. I sewed up to 3 on the boning, and the length of the boning, the length of the collar stay is up to 5 inches. That is, the width is 5 inches and the length is the same length with the fabric. And now after sewing the main fabric, you are going to insert this boning structure inside your main material. You go ahead and flip it to the right side. After sewing it at the wrong side, you flip it to the right side and use iron it down. Go ahead and iron it down. And if you're still watching at this moment, please click the subscribe button, like my video, give me a thumbs up. You go ahead and put the collar stay with the boning. Just squeeze it inside the doll face or any material you're making use of. Just push it inside. And for the edges, because you didn't sew the edges where you pushed the collar stay inside, you're going to use your needle to stitch it up, or you can sew it down. And after inserting it, this is what you have. This is the structure you're going to have. And now you're going to attach it to where you want it to start on your dress and where you want it to stop. And now I've used my needle to attach it to the dress, and I'm going to put the and tack it. I'm going to use needle to hand tack it. Go ahead and untack using your needle. Place it on top of the structure and untack it. Just keep placing it however you want it to appear. However you want it to appear, go ahead and insert it. And at the end of the day, this is what I have. I went ahead to use the needle to tack everything. I didn't gum it, I tacked everything down. And this is the end of today's tutorial. Please follow me for more tutorials. And if you have any question, ask in the comment section. You can go ahead and check my channel. I have so many videos you can watch. And see you next time. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Bye bye.